Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evey, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet this bikini cover up or a mesh shawl. It's easier, simple and beginner friendly. Yeah, enjoy and please subscribe, like and comment. I'll be using this black yarn, my crochet hook as usual, my pair of scissors and a tape measure. So to start, I'll make a chain of 33 inches. Here I have my 33 inches length, 33. So the next thing I'll be doing the mesh pattern. So from here I'll go ahead and chain 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, then yarn over. From here I'll count 2 on the third stitch. Here I'll place a double crochet, then chain 3 2 3, yarn over, count 2 stitches on the next stitch. Here place a double crochet. So that will be the pattern for the mesh pattern. 3, count 2 on the third, place a double crochet. So go on till the end of the row. Here at the end I'll go ahead, place a double crochet and then chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, turn my work and continue the mesh pattern. So I did a total of 8 rows. I did 8 rows. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be placing a decrease, and for a decrease I will yarn over and skip this mesh here and place a double crochet here. So place a double crochet, then chain 6 2 3 4 5 6, yarn over, turn my work and then place a double crochet. I'll leave this mesh here and place a double crochet here. So go ahead with the mesh pattern all through, then I'll also show you how to decrease at the other end. Now at the end, towards the end of the other side, I will make a decrease as well. So I will yarn over and place a double crochet here, like so, then chain 6, yarn over, turn my work and then skip this mesh here and place a double crochet on the next mesh. So go on with your decreases, then yeah, from there I'll show the next step. Guys, so far so good with the decrease. As you can see, I'm only left with this part here, so keep on decreasing because we need the triangle shape. I'll decrease until the end of the what is it, the row. Yeah, so yeah, keep on decreasing until we have the triangle shape. So from here I will yarn over and place a double crochet that marks our decrease, then as usual chain 6, turn my work, keep this here and then here place a double crochet, yarn over, skip, place a double crochet. Now here almost at the end I have three mesh, so I'll chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, turn my work, and then place a double crochet here, and then chain 3, and then place another double crochet here, then chain 6, 4 5 6, turn my work, and to finish off I'll just place a double crochet right here. So that marks the end of our triangle shape. Make a slip knot, make it a bit tighter, and yeah, that's it for the triangle mesh pattern. So the next thing I'll do, I'll be placing single crochets all from here. I'll be placing single crochets from here to here, then crochet a string for tying around the tying at the side of your waist, on the side of your waist, and then go on with the fringe. After doing the single crochets here, I will go on and make a double up my yarn like so, and then attach it here for the strings. So this is what I have as the string. So repeat the same process at the end here and do the other string. Now the last step will be attaching the fringe. I already cut, so I'll just like pull them like this and then make a slip knot. So it's that simple. Yeah, so go on with the fringe this side and on this other side. I'm done attaching, and that's how it looks like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, share, leave a comment, and also like. I'll see you on the next video.